So this right here is the subfloor. The subfloor means that it's going to sit under the sauna floor. There's going to be a lot of water on this wood. So most likely I'm going to need to pressure treat it, which I'm going to do now. So one of the main reasons I decided to take a gamble on this trailer is because when I was buying it, I lifted the subfloor up and I carefully inspected the frame, and while it does look rusty, it doesn't look great, it feels solid. That's not good, as a piece of rust falls off. As I was saying, it feels solid. This means that the axles are solid, the wheel wells are solid, the foundation of this trailer appears to be good. And all this rust can be mitigated. I'm going to apply a rust converter on them and hopefully bring it back up to top shape. This, of course, is only a hypothesis. I've never done anything like this before, so it's very likely that I'm mistaken and I'm going to waste a bunch of time and money. But that's also what makes it so much fun. Here it is. Here's my subfloor again. And at this point, I want to treat it with something because this wood's gonna get wet. It's gonna be a sauna. That is guaranteed. And the best treatment I am aware of is this really toxic stuff called copper green brown. It's a wood preservative. This is essentially the same kind of stuff that pressure treated wood gets treated with. And an important consideration is that you don't want to walk barefooted on wood that's been treated by that, because you run the risk of getting a sliver, and that pressure treated sliver can mess you up pretty bad. So I'm doing this because this is meant to be applied on wood that literally gets buried in the ground, so it's going to preserve it against moisture the best. But I do not recommend doing this if you're going to be in contact with the wood. Because this is a subfloor, that's going to be a non-issue. More than likely I'm going to put a second, maybe a third layer of floor on top of this, so I'll never even see it, let alone walk on it. Other than that, nothing special. I'm just going to quickly come through here and treat the wood and just give it one, maybe two coats and call it good.